Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to add a contact widget on your iPhone. So let's get into it. On the home screen, press and hold empty area until the icons start to jiggle. Tap on the plus button in the top left corner to open the widget menu. Now scroll down through the list of available widgets and select the contacts widget. Once you find the contacts widget, tap on it. You will see a different widget sizes available, small, medium or large. Choose the desired size and tap Add Widget at the bottom of the screen. The widget will be placed on your home screen. Tap anywhere to stop the icons from jiggling. After adding the widget, you can tap on it to choose which contacts to display, allowing you to quick access to your chosen contacts directly from your home screen. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.